name's Jason Cianchette. I grew up here in Falmouth, Maine, in a family full of entrepreneurs. I went down to Boston and studied computer engineering, and then worked for 10 years at a bunch of venture-backed startups. The first startup was a company called UPromise, where UPromise was a marketing services company created by direct marketing pioneer Michael Bronner. UPromise, I got exposed to creating innovative marketing programs for companies like AT&T, General Motors, and Citibank. Those companies used to be good, but they were good when I worked on them. And then I went to business school. When I applied to business school, one of the things you had to write was why you want to go to school. And I applied, and I said in my application I wanted to create a great business in Maine. Now it's quite a few years later, but I'm starting to work on that process. I studied, received my MBA from Dartmouth, and afterwards I went to another marketing company where we created a program for Major League Baseball. After that, I went to a third startup. This is what serial entrepreneur, keep trying. Third startup, and it was called MocoSpace. MocoSpace was essentially like MySpace, but all from a mobile phone. At MySpace, I was one of the first employees hired and the vice president of product, and there we created this website that became the third most popular mobile site in North America and received 1.5 billion page views a month. It was really exciting, so of course I decided to leave. And so, since it was going so well, I left and started my own company called Liquid Wireless, which is now based here in Portland, Maine, at the Maine Center of Enterprise Development. And I'm very excited to finally be creating that vision of what I applied for many years ago. Liquid Wireless combines my experience in direct marketing from UPromise and Sports Loyalty with my experience at MocoSpace in creating mobile web experiences. Basically what we do is we create websites built for iPhones and Blackberries and things like that, which attract different customers. We then ask those customers for information about their interest in different products, and we sell that to advertisers who want to connect with them. We sell that to those customers to those advertisers on what's called a per lead basis. Lead generation on the PC web is a multi-billion-dollar industry. I don't know if any of you looked at the Inc. 500 list recently of companies. 5 of those are PC web lead generators. Currently, no one's doing this in mobile, even though there's 20 million people who use mobile every day, and it's growing at about 50% a year. So my company is hoping to connect that passion for the performance marketing in the mobile web and deliver on that promise. We created a beta version of the product last year in February, launched it, and generated 30,000 customer leads. There's a ton of interest in the product, and now hoping to build a team here in Portland, grow it up, continue building on the product, and see where it goes. Thanks for your time.